Namaste. So myself Nitin. So today I'm gonna talk about the topic of Hatha Yoga. So today let's understand the concept of Hatha Yoga. So we can understand into the little bit deeper way that what is Hatha Yoga. So basically Hatha Yoga should not be taught as a physical exercise. So it has to be taught as a life process. So if you see Hatha yoga, usually people are doing around the world, like doing physical exercise in the way, like if you are taking a Hatha yoga as a physical exercise, you can do either swimmings or any kind of fitness exercise like playing tennis, badmintons and etc. So these are the some physical exercise. So here I am talking about, let's understand that how we can understand the Hatha yoga into a very deeper level. So it's the process of a life. You have to connect yourself with inner self realization, that how you can connect your consciousness to the body. So that is the important factor in Hatha yoga. So if you see, let us take example. If you sit in the comfortable position and you are placing the hands on the chin mudra, you can place your hands facing down. You can take a few deep breath in and out and experience how you are feeling. Just focus your mind on the breath. Focus your mind completely. Your consciousness should be connecting to the breath and you have to experience that how you are feeling. Then after that you can place your palms up in the chin mudra and then you experience how you are feeling. So the experience are different. You are automatically feel more relaxed. So that's the more deeper understanding of Hatha yoga if you realize into this practice. So when you do any kind of asana, so just experience yourself that how you can connect the asana properly. So that keeps you into the deeper level of consciousness that connects your mind. So at the end I would like to tell my all the friends who are spreading the knowledge of Hatha yoga, just put it in your mind or in your consciousness that whenever you taught Hatha yoga around the world where you are spreading the knowledge of Hatha yoga, just taught is as a not as a physical exercise, just taught it as a life process. So and it's just an experience for people can feel that how they can take their experience when they start doing the Hatha yoga, they can move into the deeper level of practice. So because Hatha yoga taught us, it takes you to the static states where the state is differently, and Patanjali also talked about in their asana that sthir sukham asana. So when you do any kind of physical asana, you feel more comfortable. You are not feeling any kind of frustration on your face, because people are doing physical exercise and torturing their body. So that's not the part of Hatha yoga. You're not supposed to torture your body. You have to be feel more relaxed while sitting any kind of comfortable posture. Your face expression should be more relaxed. So that is the main concept of Hatha yoga, which I would like to say at the end. Just it leads you to the static stage which you have to experience at the end, those who are a good practitioner, those who are spreading the knowledge around the world. So thank you so much.